Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and a little while ago I told you about pickling, a way to turn a variable into a file and then be able to share, email, save, however you need to. And I think I used a data frame, and that works for everything. But now, about 2 years ago, 2017, Pickling was added to the Pandas library. So let's just show you how simple it is now. Alright, this is what we've been working with. So let's just run and save this. So alright, here's our list of baby names in Hawaii. So it is literally as simple as this. So, alright. And the to pickle is a method associated with the data frame, and the read pickle is a method in the pandas. So let's just look at it. So alright, to pickle, then just give it the name hi names dot pickle. Close that out. It's that simple. Let's pull this here and show you. Boom, there it is. Let's get rid of that. So now hi, let's delete, oops, del hi, so hi is gone. And then we're just gonna pull this straight back out. Hi dot pandas dot read pickle dot, what would we call it? We called it hi.names.pkl, closed out. Whoops, I did not type that right. Hi equals pd dot read pickle hi names dot pkl. Let's make sure I typed that right. Nope, just name. That's what I did wrong. And close this out. And boom. It is that simple. That is pickling in. Let's keep this all together and copy. There. That's it. To pickle is method tied to the data frame, and read pickle is method just right inside pandas. It is that simple. So this is your to, this is your from. Pickle and load. That's it. So real short video today, real simple subject matter, but this is what is awesome about pandas. Everything's in one place. So alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Super important. Videos coming out all the time. But as always, guys, thanks for being here. Thanks for commenting. Thanks for subscribing. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.